Holy shit.
Life.atv, boys.
Hey, what up guys? It's Danny from life.atv here, and today we got kind of an interesting video for you today. The reason we haven't been riding our own trails lately is just because summer here in Minnesota, everything is overgrown. So today we're going to try to do some maintenance on the trails, trying to clean them up, and maybe, hopefully by the end of the day, we can go for a ride on them. Anyway, we'll let the Raptor warm up, and we'll ride out to Cody's. See you there. Cold start on the Raptor. She hasn't been started in about a couple weeks. So guys, just got over to the Lau compound. We're gonna go get his grandpa's Gator and some supplies so we can clean the trails. They're really bad. I was telling him that's why we haven't rode them at all this year. It's because they're literally awful.
Especially sketchy.
Yeah, which I think is the one we're gonna start off on, because we named it Sketchy back in the day because it always floods.
It always floods.
And it's always, like I said, growing in. So we'll head over and grab the Gator, guys. Here we go!
Here we go!
This trail actually don't look bad right here. This one's
always nice though.
This is the main trail right here. Outhouse, shed. Down to the cabin. Woohoo! Hey, old man!
We gotta follow!
Holy shit. Gold, the time has come.
Sketchy time.
Sketchy time.
Oh.
We had someone come and mow it for us. All we really have to do is trimmer. Oh fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. It being mowed helps so much.
Yeah. Well, actually ain't that bad over at Rosewood.
No. That ain't bad right there. Dude, we might have to rip this. Dang.
down there mowing it now. I didn't know you could hunt down there. I thought we could go all the way down the end of the course, Danny.
So guys, we're on the trail right now. It's actually looking freaking awesome.
Damn nice.
Because we got Cody's neighbor that came down here with his tractor and widened out the trails with his mower that he pulls behind it.
Yeah.
So it looks awesome. He's down there right now. We just trimmed this first half of Sketchy, and we're gonna give him some time to mow, and then we'll come back and we'll just cut it up a little bit.
We'll finish it up.
But fuck, this looks awesome.
Yeah, way nicer.
We brought a GoPro with, so once it's all finished, we'll hop on the sport quads, and haul ass through here and show you guys.
Oh yeah, it'll look awesome.
Just look how awesome it looks right now. Jesus.
He's getting a picture of the green fire.
So guys, we just finished trimming the trail we call Sketchy, and now we're gonna put a GoPro on, and
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys it. It looks pretty nice.
it does look pretty nice. And this guy over here widened it for us, so we can actually fly on this sucker now.
Yeah, it's super wide now. Doesn't
Oh.
even look like the same trail.
All right, guys, GoPro mode. Okay, so Cody all of a sudden just said he's taking Big Blue. I thought he was taking Yeller. If you guys seen a video a couple videos ago where this thing just hasn't been running right, but it actually doesn't seem like it's running too bad right now.
I guess if it gets out again, use it to fucking tool stroke me out, buddy.
All right, man.